The Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, says President Muhammadu Buhari has not acted in breach of the Supreme Court's injunction restraining the federal government from imposing a deadline on the use of old Naira notes. Speaking at the 67th Ministerial Press Briefing at the State House on Thursday, the AGF said there are multiple ways around the order of the Supreme Court. On February the 8th, the Apex Bank issued an injunction restraining the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, from giving effect to the deadline on the use of the old 200, 500, and 1,000 Naira notes following an ex parte application brought before the court by three northern states, Kaduna, Kogi, and Zamfara states.
Within the context of what constitutes a rule of law in the Nigerian situation, where an order is made by a court, you have multiple options. But let me state, before even addressing the issue of the options available at our disposal as a government, the fact clearly that we are not in breach of any order made by the court, inclusive of any order associated with the Naira redesign. We are not in breach. I believe, I'm not a banker, but you have not gone further to establish which bank is it that you have gone to present a 1,000 or 500 Naira note that has been rejected. So we are not in breach. So, but then assuming we are in breach, the fact remains that this matter is sub judice, as you rightly know, is being contested before the Supreme Court. And when an order is made, you have multiple options within the context of the rule of law. One, you are entitled as a matter of right, if the facts and evidence support your position, to apply for setting it aside. The position of the law, legal jurisprudence is clear. Once you are attacking, and then seeking for a setting aside of an existing order of the court, you cannot be said to be operating in breach when you presented your application for setting aside. If the court is not an apex court, you equally have a right of appeal and support the right of appeal with an application for stay of execution order. So the bottom line of what I'm trying to state is the matter is sub judice, and within the context of this rule of law, we are doing the needful as a government in terms of ensuring that the right of the government within the context of the Naira redesign is being protected. So we are not in breach.